Annyeonghaseyo, welcome to another session. I'm Chef David. Today we are going to make a special dish called Tteokguk or rice cake soup. It's normally eaten during the New Year. Okay, right now I'm going to turn on I'm going to pour the stock into the pot. Okay, let it heat it up. This rice cake, you really require it to be soaked. We soak it for like 10 to 20 minutes. We're going to put in the chicken pieces first. Stir it a bit. You can start putting in the rice cake. Next, the garlic. Sesame oil. Do not pour the entire fish sauce into the soup, it might be too salty. So you just put in a little first. Alright, right now we're going to throw in this scallions. Looks beautiful. A little bit of pepper. Okay, so right now I'm going to dish out this soup into the bowl and then we are going to garnish it. Okay, right now we're going to garnish this soup with the eggs, chilli, and then the liver. Ladies and gentlemen, Tteokguk, the New Year soup. I hope you enjoy this soup. I enjoy making it for you. I hope you enjoy making it for your friends and family at home as well. I'll see you soon. Thank you.